Hey everybody, Travis, Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, coming to you from Glen Flora, Wisconsin, about 3 hours away from my house. And we're finishing up a deer fence, 8-foot high deer fence. And then as soon as we're done with the fence, we're going to sheet mulch a 10-foot frame around the outside edge of this fenced-in area, and then in the middle there's going to be a pergola trellis next spring with goji berries and a picnic table, seating area in the middle. But that will be next spring. Today I'm doing sheet mulch and all the fruit trees I could find, and then a lot of supporting plants for the guilds. I'm going to turn you around and show you. We're putting the plastic fencing up now. I'm building the 10-foot wide gate, and once the gate is on, this fence is finished. And just waiting right now for these holes to cure a little bit, and then I could put the tension wire on. I'm going to turn you around and show you. Here we go. See, we're putting the fencing on. So far we started in that corner over there, and we worked all the way around to here. So it's fully enclosed just about. And the gate's going right here. It's going to be a 10-foot wide gate, a swing gate. But yeah, this is could have been a one-day job yesterday if this area was already ready to go, but had to do like 4 hours of unplanned stuff, because if you can see how tall everything is around here, we're standing in the middle of that. So I use a skid steer to flatten a lot of it. And yeah, so we're gonna have to even it out a little bit once we get this done when we sheet mulch here. And then we're planning on finishing this today. And I plan on getting home by 10 o'clock tonight, I hope. 3 hours away, so that would leave me getting done by 7, but I want to be out of here by 5 or 6 is what I'm thinking. And I gotta go back to my hotel and grab all my stuff. And then we got the 3-hour ride back. But that's that. Here's all the trees I'm going to be putting in. And there's be a lot more that's going to go in the spring too. I brought a bunch of seeds with me that can go in the ground here in the fall to supplement what I could not get. And to supplement what I did bring. So I'm going to add some plants in the ground plus seeds. But we got 4 apple trees over here. We got 2 crab apple and 2 plum trees. I think that's what we got here. And a few elderberry trees and raspberries. There's a bunch of lavender. We got the raspberries. We got blueberries, daffodils, daylilies, anise. There's quite a few things in here, but that's going to be in the ground today, and I'll be home sleeping in my bed tonight. I figured 3 days for this job, and could have been done by noon today if we didn't have to do all the extra work yesterday. But we're moving along, and thank you for that battery operated auger right there. It saves a lot of time. But that's where we're at. I'll have more when I get the gate up, and another walkthrough when we get this sheet mulch this afternoon. Look a lot different. But anyway, that's where we're at. It's time to grow food, my friends. There's 44 acres here, so the woman's house, you can't even see it from here. There's a bunch of wooded area in between. It's probably about a quarter of a mile from her house, actually. So she's going to need a four-wheeler to get around. And then this is a quarter mile from the road, class 5 road. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. She get finished here. But if you'd like to design a food forest for your property or your backyard, get a hold of me, Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or visit foodforestabundancemn.com and get a hold of me. Talk to you soon, my friends. Have an amazing day.